Yeah. 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 Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hmm. Look at that breakout right there. Boom. Look at that right there at 9 o'clock. Oh God, I wish it wasn't right before 9 o'clock. We need to see a pullback. Need to see a pullback. So you could put a buy limit. I don't know on this delta right here. Oh snap! So that thing just exploded out of there. Holy shit, Bob bobbers dooders. Holy shit, a bobber dooder dooders. Yeah. Holy shit. You know what I'm saying? That was a holy shit moment. Holy shit. Right. I don't want this on there. And then we can go ahead and make this full screen. Boom. Okay. Let's get this down here a little bit. Return to meeting. Yeah, here we are. Hey, look who it is. Beth. What's up, Beth? Can you hear me? Hello? Say something. Speak to me. Oh, I forgot to change the image on my fucking restream. Oh, good God. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Go to stream started. Yep. Okay, update titles. I need to update image because it is not Globex. Tomorrow is Scalpathon. We have the Scalpathon tomorrow. That means you can come into the Zoom for free and then you get a free month of our indicators. Oh, ho, ho. Get a whole month to back test some shit. Be like, damn, this shit does work. I should have been using this a long time ago. Keep trying to tell people. I don't want to listen. They don't want to listen. All right, I don't need that. I don't need that. Oh, yeah, I did need that. Damn it. All right. Go to, it's, download that. Let's, there we go. You hearing some like sound? Sound. Yeah. I need to go to here. Got 2 minutes before 9 o'clock. That thing, I was hoping that didn't happen. What's this trade I was wanting to take? I was expecting it to bounce up, but let's see if it's just gonna be a pullback and then maybe crash back down. That would be like the shit, you know, if it did that. So, yeah. try this way here. Where did it go? Okay, what's that thing called? B H. There we go. And then okay. Hell yeah. Okay. Okay then. All right. Close this out and close this out. Then we can close we need that on. I already have it on. Hold on. Two of them for some reason. Turn on. Turn on. Hey, it's broken. Green bridge. There it is. Turn on. There we go. I don't want to turn it off. All right. There we go. There we go. And there we go. And boom. Um, we go, man. Yep. Why is everything refreshing? What the hell? There we go. Plug with them two accounts for now. Oh, what the hell? What is going on here? Tell me why. Tell me why. Ba da ba da 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 da. Do 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 do. All right. Yeah. Talk about that. We talking. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, 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 yeah. Mm-hmm. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Mm, mm. Um, no, I don't want no speaker that. I want that. No. There we go. Yeah, that's what we talk about right there. Boom. What's up? How you doing? What's going on? Yep. Yep. Then we can put in a yeah, add new mix. Not personal mix. There we go. Okay. There, like that. There we go. Yep. There it is. Yep. Whoop. There it is. All right. 906. What we got going on? We broke up on real flow to the upside. We're underneath New York zone and daily zone. So we should probably not buy. We're looking for shorts unless we break up through this shit. You know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 boom. So Cascade now has Delta on the left. See that right there? Yeah, Delta. And then it highlights the biggest Delta bar for you now automatically. We got Delta on the left and volume on the right. Then we have our value area high, value area low, IB high, IB low. This is some cool shit. Cool shit. And then we got vector shift matrix. Oh, got it's got surge in it. This one, the pro version does. Pro is not released yet. This one over here is regular vector shift matrix, and it gives you these signals here on your chart. Boom, 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 and it is a thing. It's a thing, man. That's what it is. It's a thing. It's a thing that you should use. Yes, for sure. Okay. Looking out at applications that don't need. You save on the system resources. All right. So if we get a 796 96.5.75, we break below that again, we're probably going to continue going down. Let me go ahead and mark that real quick. See, it was about there. Yeah, you start falling through that, good chance we just keep going bearish, or the worst, they just chop. They just chop us, which could happen because that's what they like to do, man. They're pricks. They are the pricks. They are pricks. We're bumping up to a VIX. End cap. Right here. Here's the VIX right here. Boom, rejected. Down. Price goes up. But then we're going to be hitting this dynamic zone here. And this thing has already been touched. So it could break right through it. That means we go bearish again. But we will find the fuck out. Don't know right now. Look at that right there. See what I'm saying? 702. Yep, I'm looking for shorts, so we just need to find a nice entry somewhere in here. And get into them shorts. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. All right. Put on a little bit of music here. Just a little bit. Listen to just my, not that. That right there. So I can get some brain power going. Brain powers. Need some brain power. Brain power stuff. It's that the frequency that it has is like good for your brain or something. I don't know, man. All right, so we're looking for value to break this initial balance area right here. That's what we're looking for. It looks like it might do it. 96.01, not that big of a stop. At 100% on the bear vector on Vector Shift Matrix Pro, but it's saying price right now is exhausted. It probably is. Get the run it just had. It just got its ass whooped and beaten to the ground. Oh. Anyways, we did break that level I was looking at. So let's see what's going to happen here. Dun, dun, dun. Don't forget, tomorrow is Scalpathon. So it looks like we're going to break. Scalpathon tomorrow. Look at that rejection right there. I don't like that. I don't want that. I don't want it to do that. Don't want it to do that. Boom, 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 boom. So the daily zone in the we got the daily zone, right? And then we have the New York session set up right here. And they're tight to each other. Look at that. Real tight. So we don't want to take any trades if we're in the zones or in the middle of these things here. We want to be on the outside of the zones, because then we know we're getting into the expansion. Instead of guessing if we're getting into expansion, we know we're getting into expansion, and we don't want to fuck that up. So I'm actually in the works of building a version of this with just those two zones so that we can get alerts created when we actually break away from them when we're in it, which will be cool. That'll be cool. So we're breaking down through here. I need that value to break though. Oh, we're starting a whole nother 15-minute zone here. New 15-minute candle. That time already. 9:14. That's what I got this set at. Go to cascade. 15 minutes on a 30-second. That was a decent break. I'm gonna go ahead and throw one on this. See if we can't get down into, I don't know. First of all, our stop needs to be at the valley or the IBI, and then let's get to like that point of control right there. See if we can't break down this. You even got a diamond right here. You even got some diamonds from the vector shift matrix. Might actually be a good play here. We'll see. Yeah, we're getting pulled back up. The reason I took that is we have value breaking through this initial balance right here. Right? See these right here breaking through? That's the value breaking down. So hopefully it holds and we'll be able to scalp this out. It is struggling. Be on the struggle bus right here. I should try to get to this low if we're gonna actually do this. And vector just shifted. this start look like this might actually push. I don't know, man. 7702, where's that at? All right, let's go ahead and drop. I really didn't want to be in this position until at the open. Kind of hoping it would do its thing before the open happens. It's in 10 minutes. Maybe it will. Maybe it will just flush real quick. See, we're getting bear vectors on vector shift matrix. See how it's flashing right here? Bear vectors at 78%. Starts breaking 80. It's a good chance this does drop. 80, 85% is what I want to see that thing go to. There's 81. $84. Oh, didn't get to 85. Fuck. As long as we get some follow through on this, this thing should just drop. But people are buying because they're crazy. They'd be buying. I don't buy anything right now. Yeah, we're getting whipped around right here. The pre 930. Pre 930's coming in. Should probably just close it. Get bad real fast. Huh? As long as it gets bad going down, I'm good with that. I'd hate to close it and then it does flush all the way down. I'd be like, oh, fuck's sakes. You know? It did break down through the down there. That means something. Doesn't mean enough. We got 8 minutes for the bell. I was hoping this would be done by then, and it's still not even moving. Not even moving. Come on, flesh it out. Flesh it out. Make all those buyers hurt. man, 6 minutes to the open. Maybe this 5-minute candle coming up will do something for us. Well, that's not what I wanted to do. 40 seconds on that. If you're watching on social media, join our Zoom. There's no delay. Social media has a delay. Not good either, especially when you're scalping. Yeah, I'm starting to really not like this anymore, especially right before open. We got 10 seconds on a new 5-minute candle. Hopefully it just shoots straight down. If it doesn't, I'm going to cut this out. Actually, I'm going to, yep, I can already tell what's going on here. I'll put my stop at 697.75. And it's going to get stopped out. Yep, here we go. So we got 5 minutes before the open. Tried to get a little pre-market scalping and it did not work out. It's okay. A big of a deal. And we got 100% on bull vector right here. But we are below the daily and New York zone here. I don't want to be buying below this thing. I gotta wait. We'll get a new New York zone here in a moment and see what it does off of that thing. Hopefully it rejects the shit out of it and we can just smooth sound all the way down. There's the VIX right there, bouncing off a 4-hour end cap. Dropping below this new 4-hour zone. See what we got going on here. Hell. All right, there we go. That's not what I want. I don't care about that. I want that one. So let's get it. Okay. That's our asset stack. We're below everything on asset stack, obviously. We're bearish on our trade shield, I would guess. I mean, look at that. The daily zone broke straight the fuck down. Yesterday it was straight up, but wouldn't go anywhere. Today it's straight down, probably won't go anywhere. So we'll just be chopping around in here like this was chopping around there. Really need to pay attention to the VIX. Going to give us a clue on what price is going to do. There we go, red, white, and blue. That's my 30-day, 3-day, and 3-hour zones, and we're underneath everything. So, I mean, that's gotta, I mean, look. See? So this is 30-day zone. It's a 30-day zone. This is a 3-day zone, blue. And then red is 3 hours. So 3, 3, and 3s, all 3s. And we're below it. We're below everything. Here's an end cap right here of a 3-hour end cap. I think we're going to see more downside. I think. But I can't be sure 100%, but that's what I think. All right, so there's Cascade. Let's see a little bit of NQ is doing here. NQ's doing the same thing, so I just think we might see a push up into here and then a rejection down, but who knows? Who knows, man? Who knows? I don't know. You know? I don't know. I don't know nothing, man. I know nothing. I don't know nothing. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. I know nothing. Yep. See, there's that push right up into the zone like I was talking about. Got 100% on the bull vector. Let's pay attention to what this is doing on the real flow. And let's watch our value. Here's our value smacking right into an institutional ladder. Getting a rejection on MNQ at the zone. Could be a hard rejection fast. Might do it pretty quick because NQ is like going nope, ping, nope, ping. But we'll see. See what happens. In a no trade scenario right now from there, but look at that rejection of that ladder there. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. Value just dumped. See if it follows through. See if price follows. That's awesome. That's what we want to see. Price is not following through yet, though. Hmm. Right. Just smacked into some zones here. 2 minutes in. Plan's kind of starting to work out. I don't know yet. We have to see if it's going to do it. Been a crazy August, so I don't know. Real flow is pushing. We're into the daily zone right here. New York is opened, started to form right here through the daily. See how it fell through it? Typically that means we're gonna see some bearish stuff, but we got to get through the accumulation phase, I guess. Or it could just break out over. You never know, man. Why we wait? Would love to scalp this though, right? here. But since I lost that first one a minute ago, I don't want to do it again. I don't want to risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. What's up? Hey. Just like Apple. Yeah. Looking at my TPO here, we are rejecting daily zone. We're pushing into London's value area low. Sweep a little bit of that. Holy shit. All right. That is a yesterday's New York session end cap. We just pushed into it there, Beth. Are you trying to talk? I would love to see some big wicks coming right out of this zone. Okay. I want to see some big wicks coming out of this zone so bad. I want to. It's so bad. All right. Well, we're armed on vector shift. It's arming right now. Everything's lined up. Oh, nope. Just said nope. That blinking now. I think I'm gonna have to make some sound effects for this. Armed. Exhausted. Reloaded. Go now. So we got some delta. It's all bullish delta. Got some bearish delta over here. Kind of starting to reject this end cap. Sort of. It needs to come down and break below the new zone that's forming right here. You can see it right there. Here, I'll actually turn it off to... Actually, you know what? I'll put on hollow candles. People... I'm so used to looking at it. I know it's there. Some people are like, man, I can't... What the fuck are you talking about? What is that? And here we go. Hollow candles. There we go. So I want to see this reject, and then this new zone that's forming right here is... That is US sessions value being generated in real time. And I want to see price break below it after rejecting this end cap here. And this end cap is where yesterday New York zone ended. Yes. Every interval has one. And as you're seeing right now, price does things at those. Now, could this come down and then they say fuck it and push it up to this one up here? That's not, well, it's been mitigated already. So if it goes up there, it's going to blow through it. This is a daily unmitigated end cap. I highly doubt it would push through that, but if we do go bullish, I would buy and I would actually hold over this green zone here, because since it's already mitigated, it's probably already going to go through it. So kind of just like a supply and demand zone. If it gets touched once, it's kind of fucked. But this is way different. They're not supply and demand. They're not support and resistance. Those are end caps from the value that was generated from that session. And you can do whatever session you want, or use all the different zones, or you can go to any time you want, any interval. All right, so there's that. Let's see if this is going to 3-bar up or not. And That was a beautiful rejection though. Beautiful rejection. What's up, Gabriel? You install a new vector shift matrix yet? Pretty badass, if you ask me. Boom. On TradingView and NinjaTrader. This one's the pro version. It's not released yet. I gotta do some more work to it. I'll try and get it out tonight. It's only gonna be for the pro users though. You gotta have FLB Pro or automation to get the pro version, because this thing does a whole lot of shit. This is actually gonna become the brains behind all the algos, because it's you read the PDF, you'll be like, what the fuck? It even lets you know that shit's getting exhausted and you need to start trailing and everything else. It's pretty badass. All right, so we're actually breaking off and we're breaking down through the thing just like I wanted to. So let's see if we're gonna hold and actually do this or not. And if it does, I'm gonna be looking for a break and a retest, pull back and get into a short here again. And hopefully we can get to the low. And it doesn't just sit here and chop like this the rest of the day like it did fucking yesterday. Because that, I can't handle that today. If it starts doing that, I'm just gonna like scalp a couple points and then I'm just done for the day. I'm not doing a whole day of computer staring at up and down today. Not doing that again. And I'm just gonna, like, tonight just say fuck it and either short or buy or go long or short at the open and just hold it for the whole night, because overnight, like every night is just like, what, you know what I mean? See that? Like, what? Every night now. Then our session just goes, hey, what do you mean you want me to move? What does that mean? You know? Okay, buddy. Put on some range candles here. There you go. There's some range candles going on. Those ones are okay. I don't really like those ones. I like the these guys right here. So they'll stack up like this, and that's when you trade with this, that's what you want to see, is you want to see them stack up like this, and then you know that's your range. And then when you break away from it, you always wait for the pullback and then you get into the trade. Range candles are cool. I like range candles. Range candles are pretty cool. Like, here it is right here. Look, perfect. See? Stacks up, breaks away. Then you know, okay, cool. And you wait for the pullback into it and then go. So easy to get into scalps like that. And look at what's going on right here. See? Let's see if it does it. Or are we going to go bullish? Be kind of crazy if we bullish. Let's see. I think I'm going to restyle the FLB to be this coloring like this design like that in the zones instead of the gradient like this instead. I don't know. I'll try it out and see what it looks like. If it looks like shit, then I'm not going to do it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Boom. Oh my God. Break down now. Woo, woo, woo. All right, we're at 90, expanding. Look at that. See? Look at expanding. Oh, 98%. I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to do that. Fuck. What's Real Flow doing? Real Flow agrees too. Oh, we're really gonna push, man. I'm not doing it. We're inside of the daily zone right now. I'm not. Follow the rules, man. Follow the rules. Boom, 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 boom. What's going on the X? Yeah, arranging out right there. The power of an end cap. Don't trade inside of zones. Don't trade inside of zones. Do it. All right. So we just wiped value from London as we were rejecting a daily zone on both at the same time. Let's see what that does for us. You want to see some impulse down and then find an entry. They're just kind of chopping sideways. Let's go. Looking promising. Okay, let's see if you get the impulse down. It's on like Donkey Kong. Okay, come on. I think you guys still seeing stuff? Because everything just refreshed on my monitors. It's weird. Hell. Make it a value break right here. Yes, yes, yes. Gimme, 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 gimme. Don't have a trade yet. It's taking a little longer than I'd like. Honestly, it's already 10. Taking a little longer than I'd like it to take. But tomorrow is Scalpathon. Don't miss that. Come join our Zoom sessions for free. 100% free. And for just showing up and being there, you'll get a month coupon for our tools to try them out. What you're seeing on the screen right here is some of them. This is the daily candle and the New York session candle converted into these zones here. And then these right here are end caps. That's the end. So this is yesterday's New York sessions end cap. So when a new zone was generated, it started down generating right here. Broke down through here and started generating right here. You get an end cap there, and that's what we have gone up into and rejected. And then you can there's a whole strategy for it. It's called an ERE trade, an end cap rejection execution. You use pending orders and you do that right there. I'm not doing it on the date right now because these fucking days have been so choppy that I'm just not gonna do it. But here's our rejection here. We're breaking down below the New York zone. I'll put on some lines there so you can see it. It's right there. But I'll put on a couple of midlines or whatever here. Put these right there on it. Now you'll be able to see it. Do that right there. That broke through daily, crossed through. So value, the New York value dumped below the daily value, which is a pretty big deal. And I'm gonna wait for an impulse, and then I'm gonna look for a retracement to get into the short. If this is gonna short here, I think it's going to. Or I'm going to take the value break on Cascade over here. So Cascade, this is the initial balance of, I have it set to 15-minute candles. So every 15-minute candle, we're getting an initial balance. And then when the zones break through them, that's our signals to enter. So you get delta on the left, volume on the right, and then you have 5-minute value for NQ and 5-minute value for ES. When both of them break through the initial balances of those intervals, it's time to do something about it. Okay, because that's fucking money right there. It's money. Money, 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 money. Yep. Money. All right. Give me some kind of move down. Do it now. Do it now. Paying attention to this 3-hour candle. I want to see it flip bearish again. 3-hour candle on NQ is looking like it's going to, but ES is stalling, so it looks like NQ is leading today. Maybe, possibly. See. Real flow is not agreeing with the shorts right at the moment. This is a breakthrough right here. Look at that. Let me check. I don't miss it if it happens. Okay, only one value broke down. How you get out of taking false breakouts, people, right here. See how you had a value break, but the other one didn't? You know it's fake. Really is that simple. And then this outer border here is yellow because this is the current one. It's being generated right now. It's not done. And pushed right back. I mean, is this the US session or what? Hell. Okay, here we go. NQ just turned bearish on 3-hour candle here. Good. Looks like NQ is leading the pack. And Vector's starting to go bearish right here on our value chart. Good. Hasn't started to on the range yet. We are below point of control for this session. Okay, there it is. Okay. Remember, we need that impulse and then the pullback, or you can get looking hurt right here. So be patient. Be patient. Drink some coffee, chill out, relax, have fun. Yeah. All right, there's our impulse. Now let's get ourselves a pullback here. Unless value dumps through Cascade, I will take that. You know. But we have, it's breaking down right here, but we have pushed back in. So it might pull back. But we are below daily in the New York zone. The new New York zone is forming right here. We're below the daily one, the blue, and the New York zone is green. So we are good for shorts. And real flow is dumping and breaking through. And it looks like we're getting a value break right here. I can't tell if that was both. No, it's not both yet. Blue line is still above the initial balance. See that? You gotta be real specific with this shit. It'll ride this initial balance all the way over here and then shove right back up sometimes. You gotta pay attention. not break. See that? See? That saves you from a bad entry. See that? Now, if it had broke through, we'd probably be fine. But it ES broke, but NQ held. This is NQ right here. This is ES. The value. Pushing up. We've got volume right here. See what happens, but yeah. Keeps you out of taking entries too early. This is the value area for that 15. We've got a stack of delta, bearish delta right here. So it could come up here and retest and bounce off. Come on, let's go. There we go. Bulls are fighting this hard. They're fighting it oh so hard. Ooh, hard. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. There we go. Pushed right up into that delta area I was talking about. Ah, it's point of control too. So see what happens. Maybe a pullback here. We could get one more candle up as a pullback though. Could. You could get 3 more. Who knows? Gotta wait for it to be over with. Boo, boo, boo. I don't want to have 3 more. I want to just get into the trade. Let's look at the VIX real quick. VIX is retracing and trying to push up into this end cap. Remember, it's weak. So we could see a push and go from here to here, which would give us more than enough fuel to take what we need out of this. Oh god, this is so slow. So slow. It is so slow. So slow. Boom, 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 boom. I'm losing my mind. Yes, I am. Make sure you check out pathtofunded.com. The only website of its kind. A free resource for traders. Those that trade prop firms. We're getting another 15-minute candle. Hopefully that breaks down there. I think it's going to. All right, just got to close below both zones. 100% on bear vector. And yeah, I don't like that. Breaking through as the candle starts a new one. All right, I'm short. Okay, let's see what happens. I think I need to come up. Fine, I think. Come on, let's drop. Started to right there. Uh, I'm gonna do retrace it. On the struggle bus right here. You're on the struggle bus. I don't want to let it go. There we go. Okay. Huh. Okay then. All your fib traders just got in. Was this going to be like yesterday where it just sits here for the 4 or 5 hours and finally drops or goes? Or is it actually going to go up? Oh, this kind of sucks. Fucking gonna be in a full-blown reversal? Like, what's the hell's going on? What are you doing? Right up to the zone. Daily right there. Pretty sure that was the pullback we were supposed to wait for. I just got on. I was thinking the Wix was it, but we'll see. I don't know. I don't make up the rules. Oh my god, we're gonna chop right here. All right, we're back below New York zone. They're gonna chop it out right here, dude. This is a repeat of yesterday. I might just walk away and not even watch it. I don't want to watch them chop for fucking 3 or 4 hours again. What are we getting? What are we doing? A full blown reversal today? Is that what's going on? Oh yeah, that's cool, man. That's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. To be honest with you, I'm gonna do 15 seconds. So that's my plan tomorrow. I'm surprised you're getting 80 ticks though. That's fuck doing that. Oh yeah, oh you must be doing an NQ. Let's go to the room. Yeah, they're ranging out right here. For fuck's sakes. That might be a full blown reversal. You're really starting to look like one. Yeah, this is starting to look like an actual full-blown reversal. Probably gonna cut this and wait. I don't want to sit in front of this fucking computer all day again, dude. I'm about to stop trading US session for about a month and just trade it overnight. This is garbage. They're just literally bouncing off the daily zone and just ranging out and just bouncing off the daily zone. Now we're on top of the 3-hour zone. Looking bullish. And it probably won't be. It's probably just going to be a massive short squeeze. Yep, you have. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is aggravating. I think I'm just gonna cut it and just wait to see if we get another rejection or not. I'm not buying now. Not unless we get above everything. This is wild though. It's gonna short squeeze throughout the day and then dump later. Watch. We're halfway up the daily. Trying to see if it's going to reject the midpoint or not. About to get in the end cap again. Are we gonna get it or not? Getting some kind of rejection there. There's a fight going on right there. Look at that. Good God, someone is hearting the shit out of me on TikTok. Thanks. Appreciate it. We're 1,000 hearts. Let me get out of these range candles. See what's up with some. I don't want to throw in another contract right now, to be honest. But we got this 5 is almost over with. Let's see what this 5 does. I might throw in and I might add in here. Get a better fill. We keep going down. If it keeps going down. If not, oh god, that'll be shit. That'll suck. This 5 needs to... Come on now. $2,000 likes. Holy shit. Thank you, dude. Drop back down, you son of a bitch. Put me through that. What's wrong with you? Now look at NQ and ES's value right here. Dumping through this initial balance. See if that's gonna hold like that or not. If this doesn't hold, then I'm gonna have to close it. This is gonna push. I might just start scalping this little range out here if that's what happens. Howdy, man. Ah, look at that curl. The bitches. Point of controls right here. Rolling back down. NQ is rejecting the TPO. Nice. See that right there? Yeah, rejected the daily value zone. But the thing is look at London Sessions point of control right here for ES. It could retrace up to that. It could. It doesn't have to. I mean, that would still be bearish. So, fuck. I'm not going to hold that drawdown. There's no way. I'm just going to close it. I'll get into it again if that's what it does. Up there somewhere. Yes, sir, you do. You'll be coming onto our Zoom. You just go to our website. Just go to breakouthunter.com and then at the top it says join here, whatever. Just go in there and create your little account. And then it'll let you in there. All right. Yeah, this is getting out of hand. Fuck. See, we haven't even rejected the 50% of the daily though. That's why I don't want to close it yet. It's getting shut down. It's getting shut down. It's getting shut down. But like I said, they could retrace it to London's point of control. And if they do that, what's the VIX doing? Let's see. VIX is underneath the 4-hour zone. Fuck. This is gonna drop. Yeah, I'm toast. I'm toasted, man. NQ is staying below US sessions daily or US sessions value here. Got bear factor at 86%. So, oh, look at that. Oh, that is fucking gorgeous. Keep doing that. Keep doing it. Doing that. That makes me so much happier. NQ's been leading the charge. Here's some ES with Cascade on it. Let's actually look at Cascade's 3-hour zone here. Let's change this to 3 hour. 3 hour with a force secondary series to 1 minute. Let's look at what that looks like. Oh fuck, we're above it, rejecting it. Look at that. Oh no, that's not good. That's not good. Yeah. Vic started going bullish again. Let's see what's going on here. Look at this. Be nice if this just shot straight back up, wouldn't it? Ooh, look at this 3-bar right here. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful NQ. Drop, drop, drop. ES will follow suit. Come on, do it. Drop, 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 drop. Come on, you can do it, man. I have all the faith in you. Yeah. This chop is fucking wild. Look at this shit. Oh my god. You gotta hold your zones when it's when it's trading like this, man. You go in a drawdown, it is what it is. Why? Better than like getting in and out 15,000 times. Just hold your fucking zone. If you get stopped, you get stopped. That's like, there's nothing you can do about it. Part of it. Okay, we're getting bear vector 40% though. Come on, no. Yes, 90%. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Come on. Drop, chop, chop, chop. Do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Look at the red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. So I'll tell you what this is. The white is a 30-day zone from the 30-day candle value turned into that. The blue is from 3 days and the red is 3 hours. So this is my 333. And we are still bearish. We're bearish as fuck. They're just chopping the shit out of us. No, don't go. Don't you do that shit. Do that. Hey, don't you do that. Stay right there. Go down. Let me draw a wall for you. No. There. Oh, it should be. Make that red. Yeah. No, go up. No. See? Red. Stop fucking with me and go down. See that? That's a little bias where I drew it there, but yeah. Stop doing that shit. Stop. These motherfuckers, man. I just won't stop. This. Hitting in the daily, hitting in the daily, hitting in the, like even real flow is going bearish. Look at this. Oh, they're gonna go. They're gonna do it. Where's that 30 or where's that 3-hour candles high? 16. I'm above it, so that's 716. Stops at 720. Think I'm cooked. Think I'm cooked, guys. I think they're gonna run this up to the POC or London's POC. But I'm thinking. We're at the top of a low volume node too. Could just blow right through, or they could just pressure it down. Thinking about adding in right here. Fuck it. Starts dropping, it'll be a baller trade. Oh, look at that. Stop that shit. This is just stupid. How am I getting into a full-blown fucking reversal here? I still don't believe it, man. We've already broke down, come all the way up, retested right here, and then now it's running up all over again. Come on. I don't believe you. I think this is just a short squeeze. What to do, what to do. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Well, yeah, that's going to tag me right there. Look at that. Look how close it got. Right there. I'm not flipping bias. I'll just wait. If it never comes back, take a red day, or I'll just start scalping. Damn, full stop loss, motherfucker. What the fuck going on with this shit? I mean, it's edging my damn stop loss. Right on that mother. If it turns around and dumps from here, I'm gonna just like lose my mind. Nope, it's pushing. It's pushing. There it goes, right there. It's gonna wick the top of the daily and then crash. And that was crazy. It's crazy. Are they giving me false hope here? Is that what they're doing? They just edged my stop loss. Nope. Here it comes. Yeah. Fuck it. You know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. YOLO! Oh, if this don't run, dude, I swear to God, I'm gonna like lose it. Oh my Lord. If this don't run. If they just literally wicked me to just drop back down again. Oh, you fucking sucks. Let's find out. I'm gonna start scalping, but let's see if they did just wick the top of the zone. Motherfucker. Oh, no fucking way. No fucking way. Look at that. That's not a retracement. That's a shutdown. See how it closes. Oh my God, dude. I just got stopped. There's half the drawdown right there. That fucking one candle. Wow. You gotta be kidding me. Okay. Let's see what it do. Well, that just fucking happened. They literally wicked me up. They literally wicked my stop and then crashed it right back down. Oh, it's like they knew I was there, man. They knew I was there. Look at this shit. It's still falling. Oh God, this is back to my fucking entry. Almost. It's pretty close. About to short the fuck out of this thing. I just want to see it get below the ladder level right here first. Can you? Wow, dude. Holy shit. I'm just lost for words, dude. This is wild. Look at my motherfucker. They just put me at $1,200 in drawdown and then dumped it. 100% bear building. Look at this shit. This shit's about to go off on Vector. This thing's about to say expanding. Boom. All right, give me an entry now. No entry for me. Just straight fucking dump. I should have slammed short from the top. Fuck it, I should have done it. Yeah, I didn't. 5 seconds on this 5. See what happens here. Look at, we're getting a value break right now. Fuck. A true value break. We haven't even had one yet. We're getting one right now after they just stop me out. Look at that break. Look at that break right there. That's the fucking A+ setup right there. Fuck this. I'm in. Get that stop loss out of here. Get that take profit out of here. Down here. Go down here somewhere. This better not fucking whipsaw me. Damn, I gotta make up all that drawdown. Pull back too hard, baby. Just keep on getting it. Oh, hell no. Come on. Come on. Just give it to me. Just give it to me. We're hitting the value area low. People are going to try and fade it. Get away from my entry so I can add in. Fuck, go. They're playing me hard. No. NQ's following through better. I might swap to NQ. Don't do it. One minute left on this 5. Come on, don't do it. The pullbacks, dude, they're so massive right now. Be 5 minute. Hopefully this is bearish. They're whipsawing it again. Yeah, they're whipping it again. Just drop. What would I say? Drop. Joking right now? Dude. Oh, it just won't stop. It won't stop. It just won't stop. Break down. Stop pushing up. You literally broke value and dumped. Just fucking come down already. Are you serious? It just did it again. It did it again. It literally went down, went up, went down, went up, went down, went up. I'm starting to get pissed. And it's doing it again. You've got to be fucking kidding me, dude. Wow. Yeah, because nothing says like a 5 minute candle getting dumped down like this and then going straight back up again is normal. Like this right here. Look, I mean, what the fuck is this? What is this shit? Yeah, because this is... What are you doing? Daily zone 7720. Where's the other 7720? Wait, there's that staying. This one right here. Well, it is. Do 5. And it's gonna wake up. Do not wake up. Do not wake up. Let's go, ES. NQ's already leading the way. All right, I'm just gonna hold these just the way they are. Hopefully it just keeps on getting it. See where you have that account set up correctly. All those trade copies are good. All right, I'm just gonna let this run, see what happens. We hit my TP, I should be up. I should clear out that drawdown and probably be up around $1,000, 1,500. I guess guesstimate right there on each account. If it drops, we don't know what the fuck it's gonna do. Obviously, it's just all over the fucking place. Gabriel's over here like, what in the fuck? How are you not mad right now? I mean, I'm a little mad, but what can you do about it? Whatever, man. Save a little bit of drawdown so that you can fix the shit, I guess. I don't know. That's what I tried to do. That's why I cut it. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I'm not going to add in on this though, because in case it does pull back, I don't want to. I mean, I've done that before. I add in on a drawdown, and then it pulls back, and then it blows the account, and then it goes in the direction I was going anyway. So I just fucking just let it. Oh, for fucking. It won't stop doing this shit today. Look at this, dude. Just won't stop. At a 5-minute close below the New York zone again, which is a good thing. Hopefully it just keeps running. I'm going to mute my mic and walk away and something to drink. And I'll let this just do its thing. I'll be back. If it flips up and goes up, oh fucking well. I'm not going to sit here and stress about this stupid thing.
We're scalping the markets, swift and keen, riding the waves of the unseen, hunting with the breakout hunter we align, chasing shadows, one trade at a time. Ticks and picks, the heartbeats race, every move a calculated pace. Whispers of a trend ignite. We dive into the fading light.
Wow, I can't even walk away yet. Look at this. What the fuck? You have got to be shitting me.
Signals flash the moments here. In the chaos we see clear. Risk and reward, the endless dance. Fortune favors those who chance. We're scalping the markets, daring and bold. Stories in numbers waiting to be told. Hunting with the breakout hunter's flair. We find our fortune in the open air. When tide falls, we count our gains. Lessons learned, what's lost and attained. With the dawn, we'll start anew. Scalping markets with the clear.
Wow. All right. Well, this is just going to be a shit day. That's what it's going to end up turning into. Swear to God, I'm not trading next August. Every August is fucking like this. This is absolutely insane. It's probably the Fed propping this up because they don't want the truth out there. Well, on a good note, all the algos made money today. Good. Dude, NQ is dropped. ES is just sitting here like this. That's when it like it's just like, yo, come on, man. What the fuck? Look at NQ. Let's look at it real quick. Yeah, I mean it's around the same thing, but it's below the zone and it's dropping. Like it, you know, this kind of tells you, oh yeah, okay, it's gonna. This right here is the hell. Just aggravating. Aggravating. Especially when I literally got wicked. Like my stop loss was at the top of this zone. The little wick goes boop and then dumps all the way back. Look at this candle. All the way back down here. Like what? All right. I'm going to go my drink. Hopefully it just falls out.
Early dawn screen lights the room, fingers on the keys. Analyzing charts and patterns, searching for guarantees. I'm chasing candles, red or green, they dance before my eyes. A profit line on the horizon, I'm learning how to rise. Whispers in my head, keep faith, stay strong, don't fold. There's treasure in the trends, I'm digging deep for gold. I fight the doubt inside me, push fear to the side, one trade at a time.
we finally getting somewhere? What's going on here? Ooh.
Reaching for the sky. Mama works the midnight shift. Papa's gone away. Children hold their hopes tight, praying for a better day. Whispers in the alleyways, stories left untold. But within their eyes, a fire starts to unfold. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the
Look at that 15-minute candle, dude. It literally went up and wicked my stop loss and then dumped right back down.
you make. Break the chains for your future's sake.
If I wasn't streaming and recording this, no one would believe me. They'd be like, "No, you're just, you're just bad." Like,
Hunter showed them how to navigate.
I'm gonna go 2 points above that zone from now on.
Lesson soaked up every word in the world of trading. Their freedom was stirred.
You know?
Dreams once locked in silence.
Dude, I haven't even been paying attention to chat.
Sing,
What's up, chat?
just to tomorrow, forging
What up, chat? Chat, chat.
the chains. Let your
Chat.
spirit soar. Rise above, find what you find.
I really hate TikTok, dude. They constantly say that I'm doing like suspicious activity shit and fucking appeal it and kick me and I have to reconnect. I'm about to just not stream anymore ever. Dumb them motherfuckers.
Higher ground, lifting
Um,
others too. Sharing all the knowledge, showing what to do. From the screens to shining path, spreading hope and light. Breaking every chain
What the
together,
f-
turning dark to bright. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle.
I want to add another contract in, and I'm kind of, to be honest with you, I'm kind of scared too. This thing just whips right back up. I'm like, wow.
Break the chains,
And the way the market's been lately, I mean, dude, it could whip right back up.
hearts forever free. Breaking all the chains that
I wouldn't be surprised. I'd be pissed, but I don't think I'd be surprised.
they rise. A new dawn's gentle rays. Impoverished no more, they found their brighter days.
But we're consistently breaking value down through the initial balances here, so that's good. Point of controls are getting lower and lower and lower, so that's good. So letting it ride.
Wake up to the morning sun, dreams in your eyes, stuck in the same old routine, reaching for the skies. Bills keep
Letting it ride.
life's a daily grind, but there's a spark inside you, a path you're meant to find. Scroll through endless feeds, searching for a sign. Then you stumble on a channel where your stars align. Break out, Hunter shows the way. Step into the light today. Learn to trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. Financial freedom's calling you. Join the journey, start
There you go, pullback right here. I hope, and not a
by your side.
fucking 60-point fucking push. You know?
Sharpen crafts and strategies, lessons every day. From the basics to the breakthroughs, guiding every way. Confidence is growing, risks you learn to take. Building up your future, every move you make. No more chains to hold you back. Unlock the doors you lack. Break out, Hunter shows the way. Step into the light today. Learn to trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. another trade day. Fingers on the keys, eyes on the screen, waiting for the breakout. You know what I mean? I've spent my time, I've paid my dues. Now I catch those moves, no time to lose. I'm the breakout hunter, in the zone, finding those profits, taking them home. I'm the breakout hunter, watch me run, catching those breakout trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster. I'm in control, I'm the master. Price action's my game, I don't miss. Breakout solid, feel that bliss. I'm the breakout hunter, on the rise, stacking those wins, no compromise. High volume spikes, prices on the go. Levels are breaking, I'm in the flow. Support and resistance, I play it right. Breakouts coming, this is my fight. I ride the trend, no fear, no doubt. Know when to enter, when to get out. From the futures to stocks, I'm locked in tight. When I catch a breakout, it's pure delight. I'm the breakout hunter, watch me run, catching those breakout trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster.
Yeah. Oh, puppy.
I'm the breakout hunter, watch me
That had to hurt, man. Why would you do that to yourself?
trades begun. When the market moves,
Crap.
I move faster. Breakout hunter, watch me run, catching those breakouts, trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster.
Here we go again.
Wake up at dawn,
If this returns all the way again, dude, I'm just gonna call it quits. I'm not gonna
fingers on the keys,
fight this shit all day. I'm just,
waiting for that breakout. You know what I
it is what it is. You got to be fucking kidding me.
I'm the breakout hunter, yeah, I play the game. Chasing the charts while others stay the same. I make my own rules, I build my own way. Trading in the shadows, I never stray. Crafting strategies, my mind's a machine. Indicators fine-tuned, precision and clean. From Rango to V-Yup, all my systems aligned. High probability, I own this grind. I don't follow the crowd, I ride the wave. Turning the market into my trade. Through the highs and the lows, I hold my stance. Every breakout's my chance to dance. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles, aiming for the skies. With charts as my compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the world of the markets, I never bend. I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat of the trade, that's where I'll stay. 2 years in the making, I've sharpened my blade. Thousands of hours, now the future's laid. I see the setups before they appear. With every tick of the clock, my target's clear. Through futures and volume, I navigate fast. I know the game, and I'm built to last. Others may follow, but I'm in the lead. A hunter by nature, success guaranteed. I don't follow the crowd, I ride the wave. Turning the market into my trade. Through the highs and the lows, I hold my stance. Every breakout's my chance to dance. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles, aiming for the skies. With charts as my compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the world of the markets, I never bend. I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat of the trade, that's where I'll stay. In the moments of silence before the storm, I'm ready to strike, my instincts reborn. Every move calculated, no second guess. I'm the hunter of trends, I only progress. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles, aiming for the skies. With charts as my compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the world of the markets, I never bend. I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat of the trade, that's where I'll stay. In the moments of silence before the storm, I'm ready to strike, my instincts reborn.
hunter of trends, I only progress. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles, aiming for the skies. With charts as my compass and gray as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the world of the markets, I never bend. I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat of the trade, that's where I'll stay. Yeah. Empowerment anthem for traders. I'm the breakout hunter, paving my own way. Building up my strategies of games to play. I studied the charts. I walk the charts, my eyes on the prize. Mapping out moves, I rise and I strive. With every breakout, I sharpen my skill. I make my own way, climb every hill. I built the tools, the strategy's tight. And now I'm here to share the light. Teaching the trade, showing the flow. Helping you grow so you can glow. Every candle tells a story, every trend is a clue. I've walked the path, now I'm guiding you. From highs to lows, we'll break through the noise. Together we'll trade, together we'll rise. I'm the breakout hunter, carving the way. Helping you find the freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter, lighting the path. For your financial freedom, no looking back. I've built the strategies brick by brick. Now I teach you how to make it click. From candlesticks to trends, from pullbacks to breaks. We'll ride the waves, no more mistakes. Step in the zone where knowledge flows. With every lesson learned, your confidence grows. No more guessing, no more fear. I'm right beside you, the way is clear. Every candle tells a story, every trend is a clue. I've walked the path, now I'm guiding you. From highs to lows, we'll break through the noise. Together we'll trade, together we'll rise. I'm the breakout hunter, carving the way. Helping you find the freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter, lighting the path. For your financial freedom, no looking back. You hold the power, you got the tools. Breaking out of the system, rewriting the rules. No limits, no chains, no clock to wind. We're building a life, one trade at a time. I'm the breakout hunter, carving the way. Helping you find the freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter, lighting the path. For your financial freedom, no looking back. We're breaking the chains, we're building our fate. The breakout's here now, elevate. You've got the vision, you've got the drive. Let's step in the market, let's come alive. I've marked his hands out in the sun, chasing the clock till the day is done. Sweat on my brow, dirt on my face, but I knew deep down I need a change of pace. Trading hours for dollars, it wasn't enough. Life was a grind and the work was tough, but I found a way. Learn the markets flow, with every candle my future starts to grow. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key. Trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building a path for life that's strong. A legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I've learned the skills to make a new start. With every trade I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did one day. From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. The whistle blows, the shift's complete, but I'm not done, I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind, building a life that'll stand the test of time. No more just working to get by, I found a way to touch the sky. Teaching my kids the lessons I've gained, so they can rise above the strain. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key. Trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building a path for life that's strong. A legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt See, my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I'll learn the skills to make a new start. With every trade, I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did one day. From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. It's a rose, shift's complete, but I'm not done, I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind, building a life that'll stand the test of time. No more just working till the sun goes down. I'm making the road, I'm turning it round. From hands in the dirt to hands on the screen, building a life where we live the dream.
Before the dawn breaks open, I'm glued to that screen. Tickers flashing, neon dreams in shades of red and green. My heart's in lockstep with the market's rise and fall. I've got orders standing by, waiting for the call. The charts are whispering patterns only I can discern. Candlesticks tell a story of profit and return. Will this contract take me higher? Will the bulls charge ahead? Or will I bail too late when the bears strike with dread? I'm day trading the futures, surfing waves on the line, riding margins of moments and fractions of time. With every tick of the clock, I'm leaning in for the score. Yeah, I'm chasing that lightning strike, hungry for more. From the S&P to the grains to the oils in the sea, I'm a lone wolf at the terminal, daring fate to agree. A scalper's heart beating fast, two eyes fixed on the prize. Breathing in adrenaline, my focus never dies. I'm searching through liquidity, looking for a break, building up positions that the timid won't take. Stop loss at the ready, I've got my guard in place, because in this battlefield you never know what you'll face. I'm day trading the futures, dancing on a wire, hedging faith against fear, fueled by inner fire. Just one good run from glory, but so close to despair. In that razor's edge arena, I'm a warrior aware. Every second can shape my fortune, can carve out my day. A symphony of data points guides the price I'll pay. Win or lose, I'm still here, strategy in hand, because tomorrow's another sunrise, another chance to stand. I'm day trading the future, feeling each ebb and flow. I'll ride the waves of volatility wherever they go. Through the chaos and the calm, I'm forging my way, making faith from the patterns on my screen today. The clock may close the session, but the story never ends. In this world of futures trading, I find both foes and friends. I'll be back before the dawn, full of spirit and
Started in the red, now I'm
I'm chasing green. Day by day, I'm living the dream. Charts don't lie, they show the truth. Futures market made me bulletproof. They called it a gamble, they said I'd fall, but I saw my future through a glowing wall. Candles burn bright, the patterns speak. Every tick is a chance to climb's not weak. Late nights grinding, no time to lose. Betting on myself, I'm paying my dues. The brokers laughed, the odds were steep, but now I'm trading while they're fast asleep.
From rags to riches, I charted my way. Turned dust into gold, traded night into day. Riding the waves, I'm breaking the mold. This market's my kingdom, my story is told. From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie. I rose from the bottom, now I'm touching the sky. Risk and reward, it's all in the spin. Crown me the trader,
The market king wins. Oh, I watched the ticks rise, I felt the pain, but I kept my cool through loss and gain. Risk defined, I played it smart. Each move I make is a work of art. No crystal ball, just logic and skill. I'm bending the market to match my will. The screen's my canvas, the trend's my muse. I'm the future in motion, I never lose. Every line's a lesson, every chart's a clue. I've got the blueprint, I know what to do. The past was a struggle, but now it's clear. I'm chasing the future, I'm shifting the gear.
from rags to riches, I charted my way. Turned dust into gold, traded night into day. Riding the waves, I'm breaking the mold. This market's my kingdom, my story is told. From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie. I rose from the bottom, now I'm touching the sky. Risk and reward, it's all in the spin. Crown me the trader,
The market king wins. I've felt the fear, I've seen the storm, but pressure's the fire where diamonds are born. The charts keep moving, the ticks don't rest. In the game of futures, I'm passing the test. Win or lose, I keep my stride. The market's my battleground, I'm alive. Every contract signed, every profit gained. It's all about the hustle, no love for the
from
tail.
rags to riches, I charted my way. Turned dust into gold, traded night into day. Riding the waves, I'm breaking the mold. This market's my kingdom, my story is told. From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie. I rose from the bottom, now I'm touching the sky. Risk and reward, it's all in the spin. Crown me the trader,
The market king wins. I started with nothing, just a vision and grit. Now I run the market, I never quit. From rags to riches, I've earned my throne in the world.
started with nothing, just a dream in my hand. Charts and candles, I took a stand. Futures market where legends are made. Risk and reward, I dance in the trade. Wake up at dawn, no sleep in my eyes. Wrinkle block stacking, I'm chasing the highs. They said it's a gamble, they said I'd lose, but I studied the lines and paid my dues. PL swinging, it's a battle each day, but I'm locked in the zone, let the music play. From margin calls to momentum streaks, now my account's talking, yeah, it speaks. From rags to riches, I'm breaking the chains, turning losses to lessons, riding through the pain. Scalping the noise, I'm riding my fate. One trade at a time, I'm building the gate. From rags to riches, the future's so clear. Dollar signs singing as the profits appear.
whispers, but I hold my ground. Discipline sharp, I don't mess around. Volume spikes, I'm ahead of the trend. The market's my ally, my loss is my friend. Screens glowing like the Vegas lights, but this ain't luck, it's earned through nights. Countless hours, the grind is raw. Every tick closer to the life I saw. Blood, sweat, charts, it's the trader's creed. Patience and timing, that's all I need. No shortcuts here, I'm playing it smart. The futures I trade reflect my heart. From rags to riches, I'm breaking the chains, turning losses to lessons, riding through the pain. Scalping the noise, I'm riding my fate. One trade at a time, I'm building the gate. From rags to riches, the future's so clear. Dollar signs singing as the profits appear. Hunter of breakouts, the market's my stage. I'm the king of this game, unleashing the rage. They doubted the vision, they laughed at the grind. But success isn't given, it's earned by design. Charting my story, block by block. In the future's market, I own the clock. From rags to riches, I've conquered the fear. Trading my passion, my purpose is clear. The Hunters Club rises, our anthem ignites. We're breaking the market, we own the night.
Yeah, I'm working on it, man. It's just sitting right here, though. They literally, so if you look at the daily zone here, it's this blue thing. Here, I'll turn off NQ or New York's. Look at my stop loss was right here, and they literally ticked my stop loss and then dumped that candle all the way back down to my entry. $1,000 fucking loss. Motherfuckers. But, you know, happens sometimes, so whatever. Hopefully this continues and actually finishes today, because usually the past 2 weeks we get a impulse and then we just sit here for the rest of the day and it doesn't finish. Asia comes in and wraps it up. They get all the glory. I've got a sell stop sitting right under this low on this other account that isn't in drawdown. I'm afraid to add into the other one in case it fucking whips back up and just oof, bye account. I only got $2,000 in drawdown. Checking out this prop for me. Oh, for fuck's sakes. See what I mean? It's like, these are 15-minute candles, man. Look at how fucking sad this is. You get an impulse down and it just nothing, absolutely nothing. And my sell stop is 676.92, 25, right here, and it won't even hit it. He's fucking bouncing up. Bricks. Hell no, I'm short. I ain't long. Hell no. We're underneath the daily and the New York zone. I ain't longing. Fuck that. Plus, have you seen the daily zone, dude? Look at, man. Here's ES over here. Here's our daily zone. This is a 3-hour candle. Here, I'll go to 15 minutes. Look at our daily zone dumping through the orb. No, man, you don't want to be trying to long this shit. Hell no. And here's NQ. This is how trade shields determine. Yo, if you want, I'll show you the statistics. Watch this. But your mind's about to be, I don't think I've ever shown you this. Your mind's about to be fucking blown. Let me turn on the table. Go to a 4-hour candle or something. So, I don't have the dates maxed out. Hold on. It was just like fucking 100,000 or whatever, how many days it'll give us. All right, so 3,518 days. When the daily zone breaks the orb, 68.22% of the time it doesn't come back. That's a hell of a fucking edge, bro. That in itself, if you just follow that, you're gonna make money. Period. That's it. See how this broke down? 68% of the time it does not rotate and go back up. That's the stats. Pulling the stats from 3,518 days right there. So, hell no, I ain't longing. I'm gonna go with that 70% shit. Yeah, I'm gonna do. This 3-hour candle right here is pissing me the fuck off, though. Look at this right here, man. Just drop. Son of a bitch. Here's real flow. Look at real flow. Bearish as fuck. On the 3-hour candles. There's no way I'm trying to buy. Oh no. Hell no. You crazy. You crazy, fool. 68% of the time, when that daily zone breaks through the orb, it doesn't come back. Up or down. That means you got a 68% chance to win going in the direction of whatever the fuck it's going. If it rotates, that's a 30% chance it'll rotate, man. So that's a daily candle, well, the value of the daily candle. And I trade value, I don't trade price. I don't give a fuck about these candles. Except when they come up and wick my stop loss right there and dump right back down. That shit's annoying. And we're in this damn range right here on the 15-minute candles. Whatever, man. If it comes back up, it comes back up. It'll be shitty. This will be my first red week, like actual red week in like months. So, I mean, I guess I'm due, knock on wood. Yeah, we're just sitting here consolidating. Yeah, look at that. Straight fucking consolidation sitting here. It's trash. I mean, I should have just scalped the VCMs, dude. Look at that. Look at these VCM signals. Boom, 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 boom. They're fucking perfect. That's what I'm doing tomorrow when I'm scalping. Scalpathon. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna do it on a cash account too. Yes. Lord knows I didn't make any money on the prop firms this week. Get the hell down there. 92%, 98, 95. Let's go, baby. Come on, vector shift. It's saying exhausted though right here. So, I don't know. It's exhausted. They're tired. I don't want to do nothing no more. Yeah, man. That edge is real, Gabriel. Very real, dude. Fucking follow it, man. You'll just make money. You'll lose 30% of the time. So what? 70% win rate is badass. Just hold the zone. That's it. All you gotta do is hold the zone. If you get stopped, you get stopped. That's it. Try again the next day. Hold the zone. Proper risk management. Don't fucking over leverage. Oh. What just order filled? Oh, I got filled on my other contract. Finally. I thought a bot just went in. I was like, what? They're all fucking locked out. They already hit all their profit goals. They locked them all out. Let's connect to these things and see what's going on. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. They're all greeny green. Hell yeah. Disconnect. Disconnect. Safe disconnect. Click. Trying to get me to update VPS. Fuck you. Oh, thank you. Safe disconnect. Safe disconnect.
constellations on the screen I scan from breakout.
All right, go ahead and fall down now. Price, do your job and hit the damn TP.
Lessons on my mind.
That's where you belong.
Fear of failing, still I press rewind. There's gold in these moments, hidden between the lines. My heart beats with the tickers, chasing brighter signs. I'm day trading dreams into profits, turning doubts into gains, breaking out of these shadows and forging stronger chains. Where each kid
Here, I'll put the other account on this chart here.
to believe. I'm day trading horizons and I'm ready
Oops,
to
I want that shit.
achieve.
Ah, did it again. Fuck.
The markets rise and plummet, the tension's in the air. I'll keep my eyes wide open, breathing in the dare. No safety net,
All right. Well,
vision in
now it just needs to go down.
each risk becomes a lesson that helps me reach my goal. Hand steady on the keyboard, reading every sign. Patience like a virtue that stands the test of time.
Of course.
As trends unwind their secrets,
Add in it. Pushes up.
futures in the entries and exits that I create.
Right.
Day trading dreams into profits, forging out my own way, finding freedom in the flow of each
I literally put the sell stop there so that it would not be retraced on.
I'm day trading for success
It'll be retraced on.
by all I know. And if the market trembles, if the world begins to shake, I'll stand firm on my strategy with no
All the way to the fucking entry. Are you serious?
swap worry out for pride. I'm charting new horizons.
People today, man.
Is by my side. I'm day trading dreams into profits. My spirit never still. Breaking out from old mindsets, climbing each
I might as well have not, like, holy fuck. I might as well put a limit in way the fuck up here. I mean, why put a sell stop way down there? Wasn't even. Whatever. Thanks. Yep, there we go. Look at that, dude. You son of a bitch. Never fails. Wow.
The morning light leaks in, flickering across my screen. I see it
Been holding in profit this whole time. The second I get filled on another position, it fucking retraces
I'm whispering to
past the entry.
show your hand to me. From patterns etched in data, I draw my line in the sand. I hunt the spark of movement, the signal I understand. When price bars break their chains, unleashing hidden might. I'm there to seize that moment, to claim the golden light.
Oh, passed up through the point of control again.
I'm the breakout hunter, forging trades with iron nerve. In the
Put my other chart.
chaos, I find the rhythm I deserve. A member of the Hunters Club, I stand beside my peers. We ride the waves of markets, turning risk into cheers.
No room for faint of heart, no shelter from the storm.
I was clawing some of it back.
Field of candles never fails to
Not anymore.
volatility's a language I learn it line by line, seeking that sweet release from ranges that confine. Stop loss at the ready, I protect the ground I've gained. I'll never chase a phantom, each move is preordained. My crew, the Hunters Club, knows how the story goes. We watch for shifting currents, where hidden profit flows.
I'm the breakout hunter, harnessing the break of day. With charts and conviction,
got to be fucking jacked, dude. This is just ridiculous.
In the hush before the rush, I feel the
Wow.
tension grow. I've seen all the patterns, the places price they go. And when the line is severed,
Dude, when is this shit gonna stop? This has been going on for weeks.
with swift precision, then wait and watch for more. I'm the breakout hunter, my legacy unfolds. Through lightning trades and cunning, I mine the market's gold. Within the Hunters Club, the chase of purest thrill. Searching for that break again, empowered by my skill. As trading hours fade away, I tally up my scars. A student of the scoreboard, guided by the stars. Tomorrow's futures beckon, I'll stand where profits flow. The breakout hunter returns, ever hungry to grow.
I wake up early, eyes on the screen, trading the charts, living the dream. I know the game, I felt the heat, wins and losses, but I don't retreat. Every tick is a battle, every trade a fight. I slay the markets from morning to night. Losses come, but I hold my ground. Learning the lessons, I turn it around. No fear in my mind, I take the fall. I rise even stronger, standing tall. Every setback's a step I take. I never stop, I make the break. I slay the markets every single day. Wins and losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel.
This is fucking ridiculous.
I've seen red,
Literally just fucking like, what in the absolute fuck?
study the moves, I master the flow. Even on down days, I know how to grow. Catching breakouts, reading the signs. No one controls me, the game is mine. I'm in the zone, I stick to my play. A warrior in the market, making my way. No fear in my mind, I take the fall. I rise even stronger, standing tall. Every setback's a step I take. I never stop, I make the break. I slay the markets every single day. Wins or losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. Losses are lessons, they make me strong. Each one's a step towards where I belong. I keep on grinding, I stay in the fight. With every new dawn, I'm ready to strike. I slay the markets every single day. Wins or losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. I keep on moving, no fear in my heart. Each day's a new chance, a brand new start. I slay the markets, nothing hold me back. With every step forward, I stay on track.
Literally have to trade the open at 9:30, trade the impulse, and then not trade the rest of the day to make money in this fucking these conditions. That's it. That's what you have to do. Because this is weeks of this now, where it just fucking doesn't do anything. Oh, fuck. I'm-
Scalping the markets,
So annoying.
waves of the unseen. Hunting with the breakout hunter, we align. Chasing shadows, one trade at a time. Ticks and picks, the heartbeats race. Every move a calculated pace. Whispers of a trend ignite.
I mean, yesterday we were negative gamma, dude, and the market faded everything. It's like, whoa, wait a minute. What is it, dude? Is the world about to end? Like, why is there no end? Why is everybody cash heavy? Why is there's no institutional involvement? What the fuck is going on? It's getting old. Sick of it. I'm gonna just trade the opens and the impulse. Pretty good at the 930 impulse, and then fucking call it a day from now on. Because this is just, I'm sick of this shit. It's driving me nuts. It's pissing me off. I'm having bad days because of it. I don't want to have bad days. I don't trade to have bad days.
Fortune favors
Fucking spending too much time at this stupid computer now. Nah, I'm just gonna trade the impulses and be done.
those waiting to be told. Hunting with the breakout hunter's flair. We find our fortune in the open air. Wins by falls, we count our gains. Lessons learned, what's lost and retained. With the dawn, we'll start anew. Scalping markets with a clearer view.
This is disgusting. I'm not gonna let that account go fucking, and I'm just can't believe I just went $800 in the hole in this one now. It's literally up fucking $500, $600, $700 for out forever. Oh really? You're gonna reject? Awesome. Sell the rips, right? Or is it just gonna push right through?